Hi my friend, let me explain you the highlight tags feature you just stumbled upon, which actually allows you to do expert level SEO. So let's have a look at Morning Fame. Alright, I'm on the Optimize tab and already finished my optimization for how to write video descriptions. As you can see here, I already have an A for relevance and 99% reached. So basically I finished the optimization, but now I'm shifting into expert mode, so to say. When we look down here at the video description, you can see that I already included my target search term in full in the description. That means that my description already has the maximum reachable percentage for relevance. But I can go even further by activating the highlight tags feature. What happens here is that Morning Fame takes all the tags you have here and takes them into consideration when you write your video description. For example, I have this how to write video descriptions as a tag here, and it's now underlined in the video description as well. The idea is that you take all those search terms that you added as tags below and also incorporate them into the description. With that, you improve the keyword density, which makes your metadata even more powerful. Alright, let's extend this description because it's still too short anyway. So far I've wrote in this video I show you the best practices of how to write video description, and because a human should be able to read this, I continue with a well-formulated sentence. I recommend that you apply these YouTube video description tips. And now you can already see that this part is also underlined because YouTube video description tips is a tag I'm using below as well. Okay, let's carry on, because the video description plays an important role in YouTube SEO. As you can see now, video description is underlined and YouTube SEO. Those are also tags I'm using below, as you can see here and here. Alright, I hope this gives you a clear idea why this highlight tags feature is here. It helps us to better incorporate all the relevant search terms into the description. But one important note, don't do this. Don't copy your tags to the clipboard and just paste them into your description. As you can see, now all the tags are underlined here because they are now part of the description. YouTube actually detects that as spam, and that will have a negative impact onto your video. So when you incorporate those search terms into your description, then do it like this in a human readable sentence, not just listing those search terms in the description. So let's remove that again, because that is bad practice. Alright, I hope this helps you to improve your descriptions even further. It's actually an optional step you can take, so it's not included into the relevance score, but feel free to use it to even broaden the appeal of your metadata in YouTube SEO terms. I hope that helps you. Cheers, my friend!